Let's check out this cool little S-10. This is Brad's 1989 Chevrolet S-10. This was the first time doing a V8 swap and it worked out great. Exterior features the hood scoop, bed cover, wheels and custom paint. That V8 he swapped in is a 350 with aluminum headers, mild chem along with top-end valve and spring updates. Connected to a turbo 400 trans, this little truck can move. Inside was completely updated and has all features needed to keep dibs on that 350. And who couldn't use a flux capacitor for that extra go? Notice the black to red fade? Look close and you will see the spiderweb transition in the paint. There are lots of nice features and a V8 S10 sounds like a blast. Thank you Brad for letting us check out this sweet S10. Be sure to like, follow and subscribe for more tours. Thanks for watching.